Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, this initiative is part of the recent taxi industry reform, which is one of the key focus in line with the recent amendment to the Land Transport Public Service Vehicle Amendment Regulation 2017. Madam Speaker, it is also to improve and modernize services within Fiji's taxi industry. And also, Madam Speaker, we need some structured framework. Madam Speaker, this reform includes the demarcation of 34 identified transport zones developed with the intention of improving transport access to meet the increasing customer demand for efficient and reliable taxi services. Madam Speaker, the introduction of transport zone is expected to improve customer services. Madam Speaker, the purpose of zone coding. The purpose of zone coding number plate is to ensure transparency and assist enforcement operation, Madam Speaker. These plates will enable enforcement officers to easily identify and monitor taxis operating within a zone. Madam Speaker, we had some legal taxis. We have got a lot of cases. We have got some taxi operators who are operating in other areas well away from the bases that they were given, thus depriving their customers an accessible and reliable taxi services. Madam Speaker, furthermore, the taxi services will be better managed and will be able to meet the demand present in each zone as permits will be distributed based on the zone population. Madam Speaker, for example, a taxi running in Suva zone will have plate numbers in the format SU001, SU002, SU003 and for Suva. The plate color for all taxis running in the northern division is a shade of orange, while the western taxi plate color is sky blue, and this is followed by the lime green plate for the central division, Madam Speaker. Thank you.